What is up, guys? It's JC Gaming again, and I'm gonna start a Let's Build series. And today we're gonna be building a chicken slash egg farm. First, you will need bricks, just regular bricks. What else are you gonna need? Obviously, you're gonna need some water, of course, some chicken, eggs, and you're gonna need signs, and thinking what else you're gonna need. Nothing really, basically. But I'll tell. Oh yeah, actually, get out your glass. Just regular glass, not glass pane, just regular glass. All right, that should be it. All right, let's get started. It doesn't really matter how big you make it, as long as you get water to go down. Okay. So let's say we'll go over 8. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll go down as many as it takes for like the water to come down wherever it stops. So we'll get that on below. So we'll go down, let's say 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, do it on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. What you want to do is fill it all in. You can skip this part if you want to, but it's up to you. Okay, but now you need to make just a barrier around it. Leave this space go. Do not put a barrier up. There. There we go. See, it looks like that. Oh, well, I should have said you can just bring it up again, I guess. And do it. You're gonna need to do that a couple times. So you can skip this part if you want. Okay, I'm just gonna let that go for now. What you need to do is fill this all with water right here. Let that flow down. Alright. See how it stops right there? Just delete this part right here. Okay. Now, do this again. It's okay if the water comes out. That's why you got your signs here. You put your signs right above here. And it should look like this. Put each sign on the lower brick. There. Okay. What we're going to need to do now is put this right here. Put this in. Looks like that. If you want, which looks really nice, is put a little, well, there, let that go. If you want to see, if you're curious about something, just leave it like that. It looks pretty good like that. Looks boring now, but it'll look better then. Okay, what you need to do now is get your signs. Just put them on here and redo that again, which will look like that. And I'm gonna go to sleep quickly because so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, we're back now. Day 2 of doing this. You're just gonna keep filling the signs in. Oh, dropped it. Keep filling the signs in, and keep doing that until you're done. Oh, I keep dropping. You can fast forward if you want. This is so you can get another layer in of water down. So you know, like that. Then you can go underneath and the eggs will drop underneath here and flow down. And you want to take this out and go over. What you want to do is take this out, this piece of dirt, put a water block there, and it should flow out like this. So I'll leave that go for now, and you want to build 3 more layers up. Actually, no, I lie. Just keep 2 layers. Alright. What you do now is, this is personally for you guys. You can always just put a regular brick top on this, but my favorite, I just usually just put glass. It's easier. And see, and you can put torches in here then, so there's no mobs that spawn when you're in here. So you want to get out your torch and put it in each side. There we go. Okay. So we can fill this back up now. And what you can do is now, final touch. Chickens! Lots of chickens. Alright. Now what they are going to do now, if you look in some spots, it says chickens, it takes 5 to 10 minutes for chickens to lay their eggs. So if you put them at once, they'll all come at once. So you want to put your thing right there. Now back down to here now. What you want to do is, you could, to make it nice, just fill this in with brick. You can't really see it. Oop. So you can have like a little farm thing there. Okay. Now, just fill this in, I guess. And oh, don't get out, chicken. Oh, messed everything up now. Okay, we're good. Okay, another piece of glass here, and another piece of glass. It's basically up to you, whatever kind of design you want to make with glass or whatever. It's up to you. It's just my kind of style. I know it looks kind of boring, but it doesn't really matter what kind of, you can make this part right here longer and this part shorter if you want, but it's totally up to you, like I said. So, and that's basically it. And what you can do is you can add on some add-ons here. So you can put like a chest like right here, so you can store your eggs in. And just do that, I guess. So please give a like and subscribe. There's gonna be a lot more tutorials coming. So see you later.